Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, back in the kitchen again. Guys, I'm here today making some stir-fry vegetable restaurant recipe, restaurant style. And guys, please subscribe, share and comment. And this is all of my ingredients. Hope you enjoy this video. What I have here is some carrot, some chopped carrot, some plummy tomato, some chopped scallion. I have some broccoli and I have some cabbage, and I have some sweet pepper, which is red sweet pepper, yellow sweet pepper and green sweet pepper. Them call it bird pepper, yeah, but we call it sweet pepper, Jamaican style, right? Yeah, and I have some Larry seasoning, I have some basil, and I have some black pepper, and I have some chopped garlic. Yes, what I'm doing now, I already have on my hot water on the fire. I'm just gonna put in my broccoli and my carrot in the hot boiling water. I'm just gonna let my broccoli and my carrot just tender for just 1 minute. Just put it here. I have my pot on the stove with the boiling hot water. I already let the water boil up, so I just add in my broccoli and my carrot just to let them tender for just 1 minute. I want to have the greenness and all the flavor just in the broccoli and the carrot same way. That's when I'm stir fry it. It is the flavor and the color and the crunchiness is there. Guys, here I have my Dutch pot on the fire and it's hot. So what I'm gonna add to my Dutch pot is some butter. Okay guys, you can use salted butter or unsalted butter, okay? What I'm going to do is to allow the butter to melt. Yeah. Now my butter melts. What I'm gonna add to this now is my garlic. You can smell the garlic and the butter. It smells so nice. So what I'm going to do next is to add in my chopped cabbage. So far, yeah, I'm going to put in all of my cabbage. And next I'm going to add in my peppers. I'm going to turn on my stove a little. Then I'm going to add in my broccoli and my carrot. I'm going to add my scallion, chopped scallion. I'm going to add my plummy tomato. And this recipe is very healthy. Then I'm going to add a little bit of black pepper. I don't normally put black pepper in my food or in my vegetable. And I'm not going to add no salt. I'm just going to add some Larry seasoning for taste. And I'm going to add some basil for flavor and health benefits. Okay guys? So just gonna leave this and just make it stir fry for 3 minutes, and then I'll show you the after look. Just for 3 minutes, okay? No water. Yes guys, this is all my stir-fry vegetable. Look, so far it's not 3 minutes, it's 5 minutes, and I'm loving it. And it's very colorful. Look at it, very healthy. Yes, you can see that the broccoli is still firm. Everything is still firm. You don't cook them out or steam them out or stir fry them out. They are all crunchy and healthy. Restaurant style, restaurant recipe. Stir fry vegetable. Our stir fry broccoli. Pick up on yourself, guys. Look at this. Yeah. Finished look of my stir fry vegetable, restaurant style, restaurant recipe. Guys, big up on yourself and thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share and comment and give me a thumbs up if you love this video, guys. Big up on yourself and happy Sunday. Bless you all. Bye. Look at this. Healthy and tastes really good.